In this video, we'll explore the technique of using an intercut in screenwriting. One of the reasons to use intercutting in a screenplay is to reduce the number of pages. It is particularly useful when changing frequently between two scenes or describe actions that occur simultaneously. We are going to write two scenes and then write the intercut. We start with a fresh new project for a movie script. We write the two scenes, one after another. To create an intercut, simply write the keyword in another action paragraph, all in uppercase. This will be rendered as a secondary heading. After the intercut title, we simply write the dialogues. It will be evident that each one of them takes place in a different location. We close an intercut by simply going to another scene. In this case, we end the intercut with an action paragraph describing the end of a conversation, followed by a transition. Learn more on our blog. Happy writing!